Hi, in this video we're going to go over some elementary vocabulary for our first little jaunt into Attic Greek grammar, just enough to get you started with sentences and the like. So we're going to introduce 3 nouns, 2 adjectives, and then 3 forms of each adjective. So the first noun is ho anthropos, and perhaps I could have done a better job of making this sigma not look like a lunate sigma. This means the man is in person, so man, human being. It's masculine, so this article here, this word for the, is the masculine word for the. There's a different word for the masculine, the feminine, and the neuter, the 3 genders of Attic Greek. So masculine being sort of male individuals and some inanimate objects, feminine being female individuals and some inanimate objects, and neuter being mostly inanimate objects, but also children will fall into the neuter group in Attic Greek. The next word is, or I guess I should say phrase, is ha-gina, which means the. Ha is the word for the when you're talking about a woman or something feminine, and then gina is the word for woman. And then the last one we'll introduce here is to by dion. Notice here the grave accent because it's an accented word followed by an accented word. And on the last syllable here, because there's only one syllable, you would expect the acute, but because there's an accented word afterwards, it turns to a grave. Ho and ha are not accented words, just so you are aware. We don't put accents on them. So to by dion, the child. Next, we're going to have a masculine and feminine and neuter form of an adjective. Okay, so this is the adjective for good. Agatos is the masculine, agata is the feminine, and agaton is the neuter form. So if you were calling a man or masculine thing good, it would be agatos. If you're calling a woman or feminine thing good, it would be agata. And then if you're calling a child or a neuter thing good, it would be agaton. Just so you're aware, the gender of inanimate objects is usually just random. I mean, there are historical reasons for it, but you can think of it for purposes of memorization as random unless specified otherwise. So you just have to memorize it. So again, this is the adjective good. This is the adjective for bad, kakos, kaka, and kakon, masculine, feminine, and neuter forms. It's important to know these words for the next lesson that we'll be going through so that you can work the exercises and things like that. But really just that adjective, and these 3 nouns, if you can memorize these, you'll be fine for the next sort of bit of grammar we'll be giving.